Hello, dear traveler. Hello, dear traveler. Before we begin, this video is ad-free throughout, so you can enjoy a calm, uninterrupted experience, making this space feel peaceful and authentic for you. I put lots of love into this channel and every single video I make. If you'd like to support my work, you can tap the thanks button below to leave a small tip or donation. It's a simple way to show appreciation and helps me keep creating relaxing, almost ad-free content just for you. Thank you so much for being here. Now, let's begin. Welcome to this gentle moment, this quiet breath in your day. Find a calm space where you can sit or lie comfortably, allowing your body to soften and your mind to slow. There is nothing to do but to be here now, fully present, open, and ready to journey inward. Begin by taking a deep, smooth breath in. And exhale softly, letting go of any tension or noise from the day. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting your body completely. Allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to relax, your hands to rest softly in your lap or by your sides. Now, imagine yourself stepping into an ancient forest, an old, wise place, untouched by time. The air is cool and sweet, with the scent of pine needles and moist earth. Shafts of golden sunlight stream down through towering trees, casting soft, shifting patterns on the forest floor. The ground beneath your feet is cushioned with thick moss. Rich and velvety green. So soft it feels like walking on a plush carpet woven by nature itself. Each step sinks slightly into this cushion, grounding you deeper into the earth, connecting you to this living, breathing world. You hear the gentle rustle of leaves overhead. A whispering chorus carried by a mild breeze that seems to weave stories through the branches. Birds sing faint melodies, and somewhere nearby, a small stream trickles over smooth stones, adding a delicate silver song to the forest's symphony. As you follow a winding path lined with wildflowers in blues, purples, and soft whites, The forest grows even quieter around you, as if it is waiting. Your footsteps slow. Your breath deepens. And your senses open wider. Suddenly, ahead of you stands a magnificent willow tree, larger and more graceful than any you have ever seen. Its long branches cascade down like silken curtains, brushing the ground with their delicate leaves. The trunk is thick and sturdy, its bark smooth yet textured with ancient rings that tell stories of centuries gone by. Beside the willow flows a crystal clear stream. Its waters sparkling as they dance over the stones, reflecting sunlight in tiny flashes like scattered diamonds. The air here feels lighter, charged with a peaceful energy that wraps around you like a warm, comforting shawl. You move closer to the willow, reaching out to touch its bark. The texture is warm beneath your fingertips, alive with quiet power. As your hand rests there, you feel a gentle pulse, steady and calming, like the heartbeat of the earth itself. The willow seems to lean toward you, its branches swaying softly in a rhythm that matches your breath. In this sacred presence, words are unnecessary. The tree speaks to you in feelings and images, inviting you to listen deeply within. Your thoughts begin to settle as leaves float slowly down the stream. Each thought drifting away gently. Fading softly into stillness. The willow teaches you to trust the silence inside you. To find strength in stillness. It reminds you that wisdom does not shout. It whispers, patiently waiting for you to hear. You sense that all the answers you seek are already inside you, held gently in this quiet space where mind and heart meet. The tree's roots sink deep into the earth, anchoring you firmly. While its branches stretch toward the sky, reminding you to to reach for clarity and light. As you sit beneath the willow's shade, the sun filters through leaves, casting dancing shadows that seem like tiny flickers of insight. Small moments of understanding flickering within you. You notice the cool breeze brushing your skin, carrying with it the faint scent of jasmine and wild mint, fresh and uplifting. The forest hums softly, as if breathing with you, steady and sure. Your awareness expands, feeling connected to everything. The ancient earth beneath you, the vast sky above, and the quiet wisdom flowing through your veins. You imagine the wisdom inside you as a glowing seed resting gently in your heart space. With every breath, this seed slowly begins to grow, unfurling delicate roots and reaching toward the light. Feel your chest soften, your heart open wider with each inhale. With each exhale, release doubt, fear, and any heaviness that has weighed on you. The willow's branches sway with a quiet grace, weaving a gentle song of courage and trust. You listen, absorbing the calm strength that surrounds you here. Time stretches, and you feel yourself becoming more still. More peaceful, more deeply aware. The forest's whispers become softer now, like a lullaby sung by the earth itself, cradling your mind in quiet. You feel grounded, rooted, like the willow's strong base, and free like its branches dancing in the breeze. The glowing seed of wisdom pulses gently in your heart, radiant and alive. All your questions have space to breathe here. Answers rise like sunlight through the trees. clear, warm, steady. The stream beside you continues its timeless journey, sparkling and singing, reminding you that life flows forward effortlessly and with purpose. You rest in this moment, fully connected to your inner wisdom, patient, kind, and deep. When you feel ready to leave, you rise slowly, taking one last touch of the willow's bark. You thank it silently for its guidance and strength. As you walk back through the forest, the peaceful energy stays with you. A quiet glow beneath your skin. Your breath is calm, your heart steady, your mind clear. Carry this wisdom with you into the world. Have a wonderful life, dear traveler. If this video brought you any peace, you're always welcome to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or share this video with someone who might enjoy a quiet moment today.